Hello everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Mr. Renard, aka Owen Fox, New Age, Sage Clown Transformer at your fingertips. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy. Sit back, take some popcorn or grapes, and in this video I'm going to share about some of the benefits and what you may expect if you switch to eating a fruitarian diet for a few days to a week or even a month long. So please do enjoy and relax and enjoy this video. So if you're going to be switching to eating just fruits only, you will expect more energy, way better energy for exercising and working and focusing on brain, for being on the computer, for creativity. I notice off the charts way better inspirations and creative flow and clarity of mind and thought. It's also good for naturally calming and relaxing the mind for me, to just being more, just less worried, basically, less negative thoughts and emotions for sure. But definitely far more creative impulses and flow, like creative ideas. Like, it's really amazing. It's super phenomenal. You're able to push yourself much harder when you're exercising. For me, I notice, like, I beat my records of push-ups, cycling uphill, tough cycles uphill, and push-ups, pull-ups, fast walking, nature walks, yeah, anything like sit-ups, everything is just, my body's in really optimal functioning. It's all about eating enough fruits. It's all about listening to your body. It's all about eating when you're hungry and stopping when you're full, or at least satiated. Just listen to your body. Yeah, people report on me too, for sure, better sleep, better quality sleep, better healing, rejuvenating sleep. You may sleep more at the beginning, but that's when you're having a deeper, more healing, regenerative sleep, getting rid of stuff like caffeine, drugs, addictive foods, getting stuff out of your system, healing, optimizing and repairing, making your body become more efficient. Yeah, just way better overall functioning. You may notice you get a bit cold if you're detoxing, a little bit cooler than usual, in which case do some exercise or wear more clothes, or potentially put on central heating if you feel like it. But just overall, more clothes and exercise is what I'd recommend over central heating. Little insect crawling on my knee. And what else? Yeah, you'll expect to lose fat, which is really good. So you're going to lose excess fat and you're going to become more slimmer and toned. But you're not going to lose muscle though. And when you combine fruit and exercise and good sleep and rest and listen to your body, that's the 4 staple foundational principles. You're going to gain muscle and muscle tone. And like, I know I'm still pretty slim, everyone, but I'm recovering from what was very, very significant health change years ago. And it's on the fruitarian diet that I'm making the most healing and repair and just strengthening, becoming more and more like powerful and strong and energetic. My life has been way better. Feel the best I've ever felt in my entire life. I just take the fruits and I take my Rejuvenate formula from my own herb store, which is good for adrenals and hormones. It has stuff like schizandra berry, famous herbs like schizandra, hoshiwu, prepared Romania, dendrobium, ligustrum, gotu kola, and a little bit of licorice to top it off, and white atracalodes, digestive chi herb. But at the end of the day, if you just don't even do that, if you just stick to the fruits and the good sleep and rest and exercise and get the sunlight, barefoot walking for reflexology and the earth's energy, you get the deep breathing, the air, the chi and the prana, deep belly breathe like a child, you get the sun, you sunbathe, you absorb all the energy for the sun, which is amazing for your pineal, pituitary, and all your hormonal system, your testosterone. Getting enough sleep is fantastic for testosterone and healing. Eating fruitarian and practicing no fap, as in not watching porn and ejaculating, not playing with yourself, that is going to be super awesome for testosterone and keeping your jing, sexual, creative energies high, which is also really good for ED or erectile dysfunction too. People eating just fruitarian diet, everyone, within a few weeks or less, they report having the first morning erections that they've had in years, getting a bit older. So it's very good for your system repair and sexual, adrenal, sacral area. So then, of course, there's the free water therapy, showers, salt baths with essential oils or just baths, swimming in the sea, rivers, oceans or lakes. All that is all free, deeply healing and nourishing. So If you do that, you're going to have like colossal body, mind, spirit, mental, emotional benefits. I even heard testimonials like people getting rid of candida eating just fruits, getting rid of candida they've had for 30 years, getting rid of pain, getting rid of migraines. People with joint issues, so they couldn't cross their legs or in pain all the time, they got rid of the pain completely, and they're able to cross their legs within a week without any discomfort. So it's good for all ages, arthritic conditions. It's good for any inflammatory condition. We're eating just fruit, so I recommend joining my monthly challenge that I'm going to start doing, because I'm inspired by Orville Douglas, who's currently doing a June month-long challenge. So please join Orville Douglas. I'll put a link below. So many people sharing their stories. So yeah, you're going to have better relationships, and you're going to make more money, because you're going to have better creative ideas. You're going to have better relationships because you're in a better mood, and you think clearer and you're less moody. P.S. Another thing, menstrual symptoms for women get enormously reduced. One woman said she had a painless period, the first one she's ever had almost ever. The period only lasted 3 days completely, and she just didn't have like the mood swings that she may have typically had. So it's really, really good for women and menstruation hormones, and it's really very good for men too, everyone. So I'll leave you, love you. Please feel welcome to leave any questions or comments below. I'll get back to you. I can't recommend this enough for everyone. You have to try to feel and experience it. And if you do feel detox symptoms, just get more sleep and rest, or eat more fruits potentially to slow it down a little bit. Bananas and dates will help slow down detox because they're thicker, heavier fruits. And make sure you stay well hydrated and listen to your body, okay? So if you like this video, please give it a like and a share for other people to benefit. Share the inspiration, share the knowledge so they can enjoy and learn and benefit, and enjoy and learn and benefit. And subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell button for future videos on body, mind, spirit, holistic, mental, emotional thriving. Personally, I feel the best I've ever felt in my entire life, easily, physically, mentally, emotionally. I feel like just impermeable, impenetrable against negative energy. I just feel nothing's really bothering me. I have challenges, I'm learning, but I'm not being affected whatsoever like I used to be by people and things and events. I'm the most optimistic and empowered I've ever been, having the most fun, the most laughter, the most optimism, the most happiness and joy and fun and play and laughter ever. So it's not all due to just fruits, everyone, but it does definitely help. And yeah, I definitely would recommend and suggest life one-to-one personal coaching with me. I do that, and it's my passion, and I'm excellent at it, in my opinion. I have so much to offer to help you have a better life, more success, be emotionally free. Be free, because it's where it doesn't matter what happens to you, but you're just living a loving life to the max, appreciating everything and everyone, regardless of what happens or what comes and goes from your life, basically speaking. So yeah, there's a lot to say about this type of holistic living, everyone, because we're souls having a physical experience, and that's the bottom line. That's the truth of it. Nothing bad ever happens. Things are just lessons, so therefore nothing is bad, everything is good. It's for the soul's growth and experience, and as us as a human being too. So therefore, you don't have to judge something as bad. Therefore, you can accept and take the presents from the universe that Source is giving you, and actually unveil them, and enjoy and appreciate the gifts that are coming and have come, and all the blessings that are here now and are coming your way right this second and instant. With that, I'll say goodbye and have a lovely day. Have a beautiful day. The best day ever. Fun, play, laugh, love, learn. That's the recipe for success, everybody. Owen Fox, New Age, Sage Clown, Transformer, saying goodbye for now. Lots of love.